What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Marv. This is Bigmarvskicks. I'm back with another video, man. Right now it is 4:42 a.m. I'm on the way to see if there's a line for the LeBron James 9 Big Bangs. Like I said, this is an Allstar shoe back in the day when LeBron was with Miami. Today's the first retro of it, so should be a lot of hype in this shoe, and there should be a lot of money into this shoe, especially since I'm up here in Ohio too. So this might be a good seller for me. So I'm gonna see if I can go to my local retail shop, Soul Classics, see if I can get a pair. They don't open till 11 a.m., but it's old school camp time, man. So finna put in this groundwork. So hey, I'll see y'all there.
I just wanna level up. I just wanna level up. Yeah, I just wanna level up.
So yeah, I'm a little early, man, to the store. First person in line, got my chair there. Finna go grab some Chick-fil-A. Got the LL Bean snow steppers on, man. So yeah, when it gets more time to release, I'll catch y'all back up. Update, guys, I got back in my car. Freaking winter storm warning, as you can see. I'm number one in line, man. Some more people showed up. Everybody in their cars right now, man. But just the blizzard is about to start, man. But gotta get these All-Star Big Bang LeBrons, man. I'll make sure I bring y'all a good review. So my man's right here trying to steal some off our shares. Got about an hour left. Line's starting to form a little bit more. Just entered on sneakers. Entered on sneakers, so try to double up on these. Oh, so hey, man, it was too cold outside to keep filming, but I was able to grab a pair of LeBron Big Bangs, man. So this sneaker boutique Soul Classics had them, and I knew that they only had like a limited size run. I'm just in my head, bro. So me being first in line, like, man, I gotta get to the size 13. So when we got in there, man, everybody in line from me back wore 12, 13. So I was glad I was number one in line. Dude behind me won the 13. He ended up had to settle for like 11.5. I waited out there for 4 hours, then he didn't have a size. So that's crazy. So that's why I like being number one in line, man. But these things here, size 13 LeBron James Big Bangs. When I pull over, man, I'm gonna give y'all a better detailed view on these, man. I just want to give y'all a quick update. So I couldn't film out, man. My hands were frozen, dude. Frozen. Like I just got over feeling sick and cold. My hands were frozen, man. So like I said, I get into this Big Bang to start off All-Star Weekend. Like I said, after I knock this review out, man, I'll be headed to Cleveland for All-Star Weekend. Hopefully, I might see LeBron there. Might get him to sign these. So, hey, I get y'all tuned in to a review. Peace. What's up, guys? So I had to do a little outfit change. All right, before I get into the review of the LeBron James Big Bangs, man, slight little detour. Like I said, I'm here in Cleveland right now for All-Star Weekend. So do a little vlog of the pop-up shop down here, and also the Kick Lounge as well. So I thought I should just take you guys with me, make it one full video, man. So yeah, I'm almost here now. So I'll catch you when we get inside. So on the way to the Kicks Lounge, man, downtown Cleveland, as you can see. Playhouse Square down here. We'll check out the Kicks Lounge, see what they got. I know it's sponsored by sneakers, so see what they got, man. It is frigid out here, dog, freezing. So, oh man, I think I wore the wrong shoes. I wore foam runners today, so I know better next time. I'll catch y'all when I get inside. Here's the Kick Lounge, man. Man, 925 here. Got some hard stuff out here, man. See what I'm rocking. See the Kicks Lounge, man. The basketball's up there. The Ohio hoodies. Ohio jacket right here. Nice park stuff here, man. Vintage stuff. Hard. Harley Davidson. It's pretty dope, man. This jacket probably the hardest jacket I've ever seen, man. I definitely gotta grab some out of here. The Kim Jong shirt. Shorts in here. Awesome. What a little pop up on that, man. The blueprint. This shit hard, I'm about to. Got this size. Excellent spot, man. Alright, stuff right there. I had to stop recording there, bro, because they was taxing, bro, hard. Taxing. I just got my foot soaked. So, yeah. Oh, shit, I just got my foot soaked, bro. I just got my foot soaked, man. Yeah, I just left that spot, man. Little spot called the Blueprint. A little pop-up, man. They was taxing. I'm talking about some used car mines for $300. You can't even sell a car mine brand new for $300. Man, I'm getting a couple more videos, man, of the stadium, man. I'm headed back. Edit this video. Give you a post of this LeBron detailed unboxing. So we back at the little vlog action, man. Like I said, I'm cutting in between, like you see us clips of me at All-Star weekend. Waiting in line to pick these up. But now it's time to get into the detailed unboxing and review of the LeBron. I don't even like LeBrons like that, but these things right here are a beauty, man. So, got the white LeBron box. Size 13, Nike LeBron 9, total orange, reflect silver. All right, size 13, 14 and a half for women. And put both of these things out. Boom, man. We have the Air. Shoot. Cut. Boom. We got the Nike LeBron Big Bang, man. Nike LeBron 9s, man. Big Bang. These came out 2012 All-Star weekend. When I said the hype on LeBron's back then when he was in Miami was absolute nuts, man. Late last year, they dropped the South Beach 8. So this right here is another heavily sought after retro, man. Also, they dropped the Watch the Thrones. So the Watch the Thrones didn't do as well as these, man. But these LeBrons right here, I'm telling you, man, the lighting just don't do justice on these, man. It's a brighter orange, man. As you see here, the orange hits on the outsides are much brighter. They have a mesh. It's like a mesh material here. Actually, not mesh. It's like I don't know what you call it, like a lace material, net material. I don't know what you would call that. You got your Galaxy. So the whole theme in 2012 was like the Galaxy. It was like the pretty sure like the Galaxy theme. All Stars like Galaxy theme. So you got your Galaxy insoles there, inside there. That sets it off. You got your Galaxy carbon fiber here. I guess you can see these like your icy bottoms, translucent soles here, really icy. I'm pretty sure, like I said, over time these get really yellow. You got your 180 air unit here. So yeah, this is a pretty dope shoe, man. You got your right here, pull tab for takeoff right here. This right here is all 3M. So this is like the hits of the 3M. You got your pull tab. You got your pull tab here. LeBron logo on the back. Overall, this is a dope shoe, man. Dope shoe. Like I said, I will be selling these on my Bigmarvskicks resale page. I was able to grab a size 13. Man, these are actually pretty limited, man. Like I said, I was at Soul Class. I grabbed these. Man, they only had one per size in the whole size run, and Nike did a draw. And these didn't even hit foot size. They only dropped the Nike. And also while I was in Cleveland, man, they let you shoot free throws for these, man. Like shoot free throws and enter a raffle at the Kicks Lounge to get these. So I really think the only couple spots that got these were certain boutiques, you know, all Nike, most Nike stores. Not even a Nike store I got down here in Easton, or down here in the area had these, man. So like I said, great pickup right here. Very limited LeBron shoes. So StockX right now on these is retail is kind of high on these. Retail was $240 with tax. Like it was $258, man, on these. So resale right now for a size 13 going for like 360 to 380 range here. I don't know if this is a shoot up. Let me know. Comment down the bottom if you think this is one of the best All-Star retros, man. I think the best All-Star Nike basketball shoe is the What the Kobe's. The What the Kobe 8s. Hands down. What the Kobe 8s. Hands down, in my opinion. But right here, this right here. Oh, no. This would be third for me. Number 2 would be the Galaxy Foams. I forgot all about those. Galaxy Foams would be number 2. And this right here is a soft 3. Still got the chrome posits. I'm a foam posit guy, so I like the chrome posits there. So like I said, overall great shoe, man. I'm so glad Nike's starting to retro LeBrons as his career winds down, man. So maybe see more different LeBron colorways. But only thing is though, LeBrons aren't gonna be as hype as Jordans, and also they're so steep in price tag. Like LeBrons are like athletic shoes. These shoes are really not made for like casual wear, so that's why really probably the hype is not like that as it is for Jordans. But I'm happy to see some of the older colors. I cannot wait till the South Beach 9s come out. Probably grab a pair of those for resale. So yeah, man, LeBron 9 big bangs, man. Got a couple more videos dropping, man. I hope y'all like the All-Star Weekend vlogs. Hit a couple pop-ups, man, and showed you how I got these on release day and did a little review on them, man. Hey, make sure you comment at the bottom. What's your favorite All-Star Weekend kick, man? And go back. I don't care how far you go back. Just comment on the bottom. What's your favorite All-Star Weekend kick? Peace.